Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, I am going to solve one of the most common problem faced by teacher, how to claim TADA for CBSE duty. So don't worry, in this video, I'll give you complete step-by-step guide to claim your TADA properly. First, let us talk about deadline. Generally, CBSE allow 60 days from completion of duty to submit your claim. If you don't claim within this time, CBSE may not entertain your request. So do not delay, submit as soon as possible. So this is the TADA form given by CBSE. So first thing, you need to fill your regional office. Remember, you don't need to send it to the headquarter, you need to send it to the regional office. If you are in Bhubaneswar region, you need to write Bhubaneswar. If you are in Ajmer region, you need to write Ajmer. Then you need to write your name, your official address, your pay scale and grade pay, then your contact number, your bank name and branch, then bank account number, your IFC code. Remember, you need to attach one cancel check also with this form. Next, you need to write the date of visit. Wherever you are going, you need to write the date. If you are going for the external practical exam or observer duty, you need to write the date. Then purpose, whether you are going for the evaluation or you have gone for the practical exam, you need to write the purpose. Next, you need to mention the detail of journey. Like here you need to write the date and time, then departure place, then time, arrival at, then mode of journey, distance in kilometer, how much you have paid. Then you need to attach the original copy of ticket as well. If you are going with bus or rail, then you need to attach the train ticket also. Now here you need to do it every time you have done. Like you are going for the evaluation duty. If you are going to and fro daily, so you need to write daily. First, you from home to the center, then same day from center to home. Then next day, this is your day 1. Then for day 2, you need to do it every day if you are traveling daily. But if you are traveling only once and then you are staying at a room nearby the evaluation center or your external practical exam, then only one time going and one time coming back. Next, you need to add DA of food charges, but make sure you need to attach the bill also. Without bill, they are not going to pay you anything. Then boarding and lodging charge, for that also you need to attach the bill. Whatever amount you are writing here, you need to attach that much bill, then only you are going to get. If you have any remuneration or sitting allowance, then you need to add here. Then total all this ticket charges, then your DA, boarding, sitting, and then you write all the total amount whatever is there. Then your signature and your date. You don't need to do anything here. This is for the office use. They are going to write how much they like. You have requested for 50,000. So how much they have passed. Obviously they never give full amount. They may give you 35,000. So that is for office purpose only. Now let us see how much bill, how much travel allowance or DA they are going to pay for your duty. So this is the CBSE circular on 1st January 2026. As per this circular, let's see how much TADA CBSE pay. So as per this circular, CBSE is going to pay second AC fare. They can also give air journey, but for air journey you need to take the prior permission of controller of exam. If your journey by road, by taxi or by your own car, then they are going to pay you 20 rupees per kilometer per day. Then for hotel charges, outstation duties, for principal, observer and PGT, they are going to pay maximum 4,000 per day. For TGT, teacher or any other person, they are going to pay you 3,000 per day. Then daily allowance for principal, CS and observer and PGT, they are going to pay 1250 per day. Whereas for TGT, teacher and any other person, they are going to pay 1125 per day. But they are going to pay all this only if you furnish the bill. Without bill, they are not going to pay you anything, and this is the maximum limit. Now let us see what are the document you need to attach. So make sure you attach first salary slip if it's available with you, then appointment letter for the duty which CBSE normally mails you, then relieving letter of the duty. If you have done the practical duty, you must receive the relieving letter. Evaluation duty, receive the relieving letter. That letter you need to attach. Then all travel ticket, food and hotel bill, and cancel check. Remember, without document your claim may be rejected. Now let us see how you can send. So after you have all this document, put all this document in an envelope, then write on the top account department, then send it to your regional office. And now let's see how you can get the address of your regional office. So this is a CBSE official website, cbse.gov.in. You need to go on contact us. Now let's click on contact us. Now in contact us, if you scroll down, here you are going to get address of all the regional office. Like here first CBSE regional office Ajmer. So you just need to click on this plus button. So if you click on plus button, you are going to get the contact detail. This is the address, Todamal Marg Ajmer 305030. But remember, on the top of the envelope you need to write account department, because in regional office also there are multiple department. Your letter should reach to the account office. Same way if you go down, then you have Ahmedabad regional office. So this is the address of Ahmedabad regional office. Then scroll down, you have regional office for Agartala, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Dehradun, Delhi East, Delhi West. Then foreign also you have Dubai, Guwahati, Gurugram, Gangtok, Hyderabad, Itanagar, Lucknow, Ludhiana, Noida, Panchkula, Patna, Allahabad, Pune, Raipur, Ranchi, Shimla, then Tivendrapuram, Vijayawada. So all these are the regional office. Their address you can easily get from this official website. Lastly, most important tip for you, keep photocopy of everything, attach clear and readable document, arrange proper paper properly, calculate total neatly. If you don't claim, you won't get anything. But if you claim properly, you will definitely receive your payment. So don't ignore this. Complete your claim process today. I hope this video helped you understand the complete process. If you found this video useful, like the video, hype the video, share it with other CBSE teachers, subscribe for more update. I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.